everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have my Boxycharm. I actually got it in kind of early and I'm excited to see which variation I got. There are like 3 variations, I think. Otherwise they're pretty much the same. So I'm excited to see what I got. And also I finally got my cellar water from Ricky's. It came in like a little box this, and then inside the plain envelope, like a little bubble envelope. So I finally got my micellar water to actually try. So yay, you know, not like it's not June or something. So you open it up, and that's what the boxy looks like. And they went back to the actual like pamphlet thing, which they had not last month, the month before. Last month they just had the card that said birthday bash. And then you got a coupon for Sol de Janeiro for code Boxy 2018, which is good. From the 15th of this month until the 15th of next month. Only on purchases of $50 or more, but you get 20% off, which, you know, most of their stuff's like going to be $50 anyway. But I heard that, and the theme is Caribbean Queen, and we do actually know, but Kathleen Lights is up in there. So that's cool. First thing I'm going to pull out is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, or Boom Boom Cream. It's like Portuguese. Fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth skin like no other. Love it, flaunt it, you got it. Infused with all powerful guarana extract. Let's see here. Okay. The guarana is potent with caffeine and contains just some mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest, and some pistachio caramel are the scents. This is $10. This itty bitty thing. That's the size of my, maybe even bigger than my eye socket. But it's supposed to like help like your cellulite and stretch mark kind of thing. And it's like this off yellow color. Oh, that sounds really good. I wonder, I have like a hand one. I wonder if they're all like the pistachio caramel scent. I'm not sure. I'm gonna rub that in. Feels really nice. Smells really good. Like not overpowering, but nice. I'm gonna pull out are these 3 Luxie brushes. And let's see what it says about those. Flawless complexion. You get a precision foundation. And that's what they look like. Alright. This one, it's actually really thick for a foundation brush. Like I have one that's like thinner than that. I'm pretty sure this is it. This is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation. It just say that on the handle. Less bristle and density. This brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft, diffused makeup look. Alright. That's nice. And that's actually soft enough, even if you use it just to highlight if you wanted to. Or even like, you know, probably mess some blush if you really wanted to. You didn't have to use foundation. I have used the foundation brush and I liked it on my mom actually. For Mother's Day I did her foundation with a brush. So, and next is the Luxie Tapered Highlighting Face Brush 522. And that is that one. That's what it looks like. So the difference between that one's a little more like flat. And this is actually pretty dense for a highlighting brush actually. Like denser than my Morphe one. But I can see that being really nice. Or like, you know, really setting some powder and then brushing it away under your eyes. And fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your foundation, powder, highlighter to the high points of your face or to set your under eye makeup. And this one is the Luxie Duo Fiber Powder Brush 516. Use this ultra soft duo fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. These are handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hyperallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. And these are $42, the set is. And Luxie brushes are expensive and they're worth it. This one's like really like kind of almost sparse, but they're like more like a stippling brush, or they are. I think that just wanted to call that, like, this is a stippling brush. This is actually like these too. If you really want to blend out like a cream highlight, this would be like the best thing to do that. Or even like a cream brush. I mean, you could use it for like a diffusing your regular powder blush. I never do that. I use a denser one. So I can see that. So I can see that coming in handy. Next one I'm going to pull out is from Baddington Lashes, which is like the cutest little box ever. And these are Monroe silk lashes. This 3D layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. These are $28 lashes. I will never pay $28 for lashes, never. Not when I know you can get them through an Ipsy offer. You can get Huda Beauty every now and then with an Ipsy offer. So these are really nice feeling. I have a feeling they're gonna like be way too big without cutting them on my eyes. We might try them in the second part of this video. Let's see. The 912 charcoal eyeliner. This is the waterproof eyeliner pencil, 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil. Glides on smooth and elevated eye look used along the upper lash line or waterline. This is only $5, but I actually like their lip pencil, even though I hardly ever use it as a lip pencil. I used it for the rainbow one time, and it looked really good. So you know, charcoal is just like a soft black. So always good for, especially considering it's vegan. I mean, I've used it on my eyes, or you know, drawing on my face for later looks. I'm excited. I love Oprah lippies. They're like one of the most comfortable formulas aside from Bare Minerals Genuine. But this is the Ofra color, and I thought it looked lighter on some people, like in some people's videos, but it's actually like a nice, warmer, deeper nude. So this is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It's a one-step full lip color that does not feather, and they don't feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They're creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick will give you a beautiful edge to your lip look. This is $21. Now, a bunch of influencers have a 30% off code, like Nikki and all that. Like, I'm serious. All of them do if you order from the Ofra site. These are actually, I think, they knocked them down to 18 for the Ulta site, you know, just that whole collaboration, because they're like, oh, everybody has a code to Ofra, you know, so you pay a little less on the Ulta site, and, you know, there's always coupons. So this one looks really pretty. This is the color Verona, and just have that on there. I mean, their formula is bomb. So it's like brown. Yeah, this is like a chocolate brown on me. I'm like, okay. Not too summery, but we'll go with it. And last but not least, from Alamod Cosmetics. I can't say it as good as Gabby can because she's from Cuba. This is, if you don't follow Boxy a lot, I follow Boxy a lot and like on their Insta stories and all that. She's the one that does their Insta stories. She's the in-house MUA. She does all like Kathleen Light's makeup on for her nail polish shoots and everything, and like her big campaigns and stuff like that. She does all her makeup. She does all the makeup for in-house. She's really good, and apparently she's working on this for a year. And it just say cruelty-free, inspired by beauty-enriched culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvet mattes. And this is the eyeshadow palette volume 1. And these are what they look like. I'm a little scared. Okay, 8 Halley reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in intense metallics and ground your look with warm richness of the creamy matte shades. For more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. The sun symbol for applications with a dry brush. This is $28. I was hoping we'd get the box so I could get the actual like ingredients. So I could know. Wanting to try it out. So I'm going to pause right here. I'm going to go see if I can find the actual ingredient list for this. or at least pose a question, because it literally says nothing. It doesn't even say vegan. So let me go see about that. I'm going to pause it right here. I'm going to come back and let y'all know. Okay, guys. I looked it up. They just have a big list of ingredients, and the shades are divided, but towards the end, which normally is where it's going to be, it says contains carmine, which is really sad. I really wanted to try. That's why I have like nothing on my eyes. Well, that night I went to the eye doctor, so my eye makeup was gone anyway. I was going to use this because I do think it's beautiful. But I don't know, I like the packaging. So unfortunately, I can't use it. So, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and try on the eyeliner, since I know that I can use that, and just see how it goes. I'm gonna get it in my water. I'm just gonna go on top of my lid. It's kind of scratchy. I like their lip liner. I'm just gonna doodle on my hand and see what happens. Okay, yeah, you warm it up and a little bit less pooly. Not impressed with that eye pencil, by the way. I'm gonna try my lippy, because at least I know that won't let me down. Trying something I like. And Ofra is vegan, by the way. So. I'm serious, they're like really so nice and creamy. It's very pretty mood. Now, granted, I usually only go for brown colors like in the fall and winter, but it's pretty. It's like a chocolate mood, like a milk chocolate. So, other than the disappointment that I can't use that palette, which is, you know, sad and disappointing in my life, but, you know. So, I guess what I'm going to do, if you made it to the end, and you don't get Boxycharm, but you would like to try this palette that I have not touched, that I can't touch, makes me sad, because I was going to do a whole eye look, but, preferably if you don't get Boxy, okay? Just tell me you want it down the bottom, I guess. You want this palette, and I'll choose from whoever wants this palette, okay? Since I can't use it, which is a bummer, because I was looking forward to it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.